Hey, what's going on, guys? This is going to be the removal of the swaybar actuator that disconnects it on a Rubicon for a JK model. JL might be the same, but there's 3 bolts right here, here, and here. I advise using an extension. It's a 15mm socket. Let's see, yeah. Trying to cover the camera here. Surprisingly, I didn't have to put WD-40 on it. See how gross it is. It's the only reason I'm videotaping it, really. Just to see how gross this thing is inside. All there's is salt water and dirt, dust. A little bit of Moab's about to come out. Oh boy. It's actually not that bad. Look at that. Huh. It looks brand new. What the hell? Another question is, why the hell doesn't it work? Well, there is indeed a little bit of stuff in there. Alright, now to continue, the next part of this install of the Evo Quick Disconnect for the Rubicon is going to be this little washer. Goes into the larger of the 2 holes. How I'm going to do it is I'm just going to take a flathead screwdriver, put it on there like so, and then try to shove it in that hole right there and have it stay. But first I'm going to clean that out. Alright, so I got it on there. Talking about the washer. Now I got to figure out how to orient this, which should be pretty easy. There we go. Make sure it's all the way loose, because otherwise you're going to have the issue that I'm having now. And there you go. You can't even see it. Alright. Put these on here, finger tight, just to hold it in place. Come on. Go on there. Pain in the rear. Now, prop the camera up here again. Something other than my ratchet. Now it's about useless to have this big old extension on there. That all keeps my hand out of the way. Go about 10 of these each one, so I don't torque one down wrong.
not doing anything? Alright, cool. I'm just dumb. There we go. Man, it's so easy to with a power tool. Impact, there we go. Sorry about the clanging. When everything on your Jeep is steel, that kind of happens. One's tight. Oh, come on. Get yourself on there. Just to make these hand tight. Well, I'm not going to put them down to any spec at least. But I will include the actual spec that I will make it later.
One's tight.